Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Sheyi Dairo. Today I'm going to teach you a simple and safe meme coin trading strategy that even beginners can follow step by step. We will learn how to use two free apps, that is Phantom Wallet and DexScreener, to find new coins, study their charts, and make smart trading decisions without guessing work or hype. Before we go, let me give you this quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So always do your own research before you trade or invest. Before we start, let's understand what meme coins are. A meme coin is a cryptocurrency created mostly for fun or community hype, just like internet memes. Some get popular fast because of social media. Example is Dogecoin. It started just as a joke but became famous when communities supported it. But be careful, many meme coins can also lose value quickly or even disappear. That is why today's strategy focuses on safety first, how to find coins that look promising without falling scams. So you will need two free apps. The first one is Phantom Wallet. Just type Phantom on your Play Store, then go install it. Let me update this one. Phantom Wallet is your crypto wallet for Solana blockchain. It's just like your digital purse where you keep your Solana tokens safely. Now it's updated. The second free app is DexScreener. This shows live charts of thousands of coins, so you can see which ones are trending and how their prices move. So you can install this one also. After the installation, open them. Click on open. Now we are going to set it up step by step. Now think of it like a radar showing where new coins are appearing every minute. So follow these steps carefully. Step number 1, set the time range. Tap on this, then set it to 24 hours. Step 2, choose the blockchain. Click on this all chains. So under this ecosystem, select Solana. We are focusing on Solana because it is fast, low fee, and work perfectly with Phantom Wallet. So let's go to step 3. Step 3 now, click on this all decentralized exchanges. Then choose Radium. A decentralized exchange is where people trade crypto directly. I mean directly without middlemen. So Radium is one of the Solana most trusted decentralized exchange. Step 4, let's set our liquidity filter. Now scroll like this to the liquidity section. Good, I've seen it. Click on it. Set the minimum liquidity to $10,000. What is liquidity? Liquidity means how much money is being traded for that coin. So if liquidity is $10,000 or more, it shows people are buying and selling actively. That means the market is not empty. Although some traders like chasing something around $500 liquidity coin because they pump fast. But honestly, that is like jumping on a rickety boat. For real, it might move up quickly, but it can also sink instantly. Do you now understand my point? Click on apply. Then we move to step 5, which is token age. Just like this, you see pair age. Yes. Now click on this pair age. Good. So let's set it within 1 hour and 24 hours. The minimum hour will be 1 hour, while the maximum hours will be 24 hours. This means we will see new coins that just launched but have already attracted real trading interest. So click on apply. Good. Step 6 now, let's head straight to market cap. Just like this. Good. This is market cap. Click on it. Set minimum to $10,000 and maximum to $250,000. Good. Market cap is the total value of all coins in circulation. Small caps can grow, but very tiny ones are riskier. Do you get me now? Let's go. So click on apply. Good. Section 4 now is how to pick a safe coin. Once you apply those filters, you see a list of coins just like this. Now let's learn how to check if one is worth your attention. Step number 1, open a coin. I click on one of it. Now I open this one. First thing now is to check the liquidity lock. I mean to check if the liquidity is locked. Locked liquidity means the project team cannot suddenly remove the money and disappear, which is called a rug pull. So you see why that lock is very, very important. But so unfortunately, this liquidity does not have lock. Look at it, it's not locked. It's not locked. That lock you see just like a padlock like this. I will show you. Let me look for another one. That is not all. Let me give you more things you need to consider before you go ahead with a particular coin. Second thing is to check the audit info. So scroll down, keep scrolling down. Now you see audit here. Now click on this place. Good. Now mintable, no. Freezable, no. Why? If a token is mintable, it means more coin can be created anytime that can make your coin lose value. It's just like printing more fake money. Now what if it is freezable? That is, developer could lock people's fund, and that is not safe. So for this one, no, it's okay. They are okay for that. It should be no. Another one is to compare the market cap versus volume. Market cap should be more than the volume. So look at the market cap, $77,000. It has reduced to $77,000. And look at the volume, $380,000. So for this coin, no. It's no for this coin. Let me look for another coin. Come back. This one also does not have lock here. There's no lock. Market cap is even less than trading volume. Let me look for another one. Where so unfortunate, all the available coins here as at now, based on my filter right now, all the available coins are not recommendable. They are not safe. Yes, they are not safe. Let me quickly change the settings to get another set of coin to train you on how to continue with it and trade. But based on this filter, these are not safe. Okay, so let me quickly do it. Change the filter to get another set of coin that even safe. So I quickly change my filter now. I click on the first one here. Now look at what I'm talking about now. Can you see the lock? This one have lock. This is what we are looking for. The first filter I gave you is very good. So just make sure to check the result very well and go for the coin that is safe. So this one is okay. Then market cap for this is $1 million. Market cap should be more than what? Trading volume. Look at the trading volume, $18,000. So it's very good. Let's go down. Let's go and check audit. Click here. Mintable, no. Freezable, no. It's good. Check the reaction. These should be more than this. It's very, very safe. And look at this, 7,000 plus, 2,000 plus compared to just 67. So it has a good recommendation, good reaction. Next thing, click to copy the contract address. Good, it has been copied. Then go to Telegram, search for TTF bots on Telegram. Click on it. This is the first one here. Good. Now here paste the contract address of the coin just to verify this coin again. This bot will help us to verify this coin if it is clean or not. Good. So now let's check from here. Good. Looks clean to me. So this one you pass. Then owner renowned. This one also you pass. Now top 10 should not hold more than 30%. And look at the percentage of this. Top 10 holder are holding just 40.24%, which is very, very okay. And look at the liquidity, 100%, very clean. So this is a very good project. Now the next thing to do is to come here now before you buy. Click on this chart. Good. At this junction now, this is another aspect that will determine your profit or loss. We have done the filter. Good. Done successfully. Now it's about reading the market, analyzing the charts. Before I move further with this, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, please, and give me a like on this video. And I am begging you specially, please share this video. I am begging you, share this video. If you want to enroll for my course, check the pinned comment. You see link to connect. Now, how are we going to know when to enter markets? How are we going to know when to buy this coin so that we will not have loss, and when to sell? If you don't know how to study this chart very well, you will have loss. In fact, you will regret taking action of coming to meme trading. There are many ways of reading charts, but I'll show you one of it in this tutorial. If you buy at this point, it is highly risky because market can drop at any time. So it's not advisable to enter now. But how are we going to know when to enter? Let me zoom in again, zoom in to see the structure of the chart. Sorry. First thing, let's put this to 5 minutes and slide this place to the left like this. Good. Ensure you tick this place again such that the blue will appear on this M cap instead of price. Check your own. If it's appearing as price, tap on it again, it will change the blue color to this M cap, and you have set it to 5 minutes time frame, which is this. Now you have zoomed in to see the structure. This is downtrend, right? So click on this, then select the trend line. Good. Tap on this beginning here, then drag it like this. Good. Oh, great. Sorry. I want to put it to this maximum uptrend here. Good. And this one also should trace it back like this. So this has helped us to know the maximum uptrend here before reversal, and here and here. So let me zoom out now. Is it zoom out or zoom in? Good. I think you can see it now. Now look at it. If you check carefully now, you see that considering this market structure, we have downtrend back. I don't know if I'm getting it like this. Good. Then tap on this our trend line. Click here. Now click on clone. Good. Now drag it, come to this side. Oh, great. Now from here now, we have one here, another one here, another one here. So this helps us to see the downtrend and what happened after then. If you study carefully now, when the downtrend is coming, 1, 2, when it gets to like third one, it has change of character. Just within here and here like this, there is change of character. Within 5 minutes, there is change of character here. The previous level is coming the same way, but when you get to this place, there is change of structure from here. Change of structure. Let me look for another one. So it helps us to know when to enter and possibility that this thing will trend up. You notice that when you get to this place, it reverse back here now and continue moving up. I will give another instance now. Let's come like this. Just for downtrend, just look through. Use your trend line to bring it down. Count just like W like this. The third one, there's going to be change of character, and in the downtrend on, you will see break of structure of the previous line. Look at this one too. You see the line as it's coming like this, just like W. This is downtrend. This is normal thing is going, but look at this downtrend. This is like W, and here is the change of character. It is uptrend here, and this is what we call break of structure of a previous level. So just take note of it. If you don't want to stress yourself, if you can master this, you will know when to enter market. Are you seeing now? I just draw my trend line here. So anytime you see downtrend, just put your trend line there so as to know if you're going to see change of character. So when you see change of character, don't enter immediately. Give it the time to see it forming another pattern to be sure if it's going to be bullish or not. Let me look for another example now to show you so as to know that this strategy actually works. This is the first one, and you see the reverse. This is bullish. This is the second one, and what happened now? Bullish. Let's go and look for another one. This is the third one. Let me just show you. Bring your trend line like this. Bring it. What happened? There's a third share, third share, third share. So this is a change of character here. There's a change of character here, and here is a break of structure of previous line. So what now happened? Uptrend, bullish. So that is just one of the strategies to know when to come into the market, when to buy. This strategy, you can also use it if you are trading futures. Yes, you can use it for futures also to know about the uptrend, downtrend. I just use this one based on this meme trading. I use this strategy for you. Basically using downtrend to know when the next bullish will get started. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section, and trust me, I will respond to that as soon as possible. So the next session now is setting your targets and exit points. Now that we know when to enter, how do we decide when to sell? As for me, I aim for small and safe profits, just about 20% per trade. That is me, and that is what traders call 1.2 multiplied by return. For instance, if you invest $20, your goal profit will be $4, making it total of $24. If you invest $100, then sell it around $120. How will you know? Let's assume you buy this when it is 940,000. Then 1.2 multiplied by 940,000. Then this will suggest the price you can sell in order to get your profit. This is 1,128,000. 100,000, just come here now, then track it to the price given you. Then you go to your Phantom Wallet, go and buy the coin, then wait till this amount you are getting now to get your 20% profit, then sell it. That is all. It may look small, but small consistent gains add up faster than risky large bets. If you repeat 20% profit, let's say like 3 times in a day, and reinvest each time, your money compounds. It keeps growing like rolling a snowball. But remember, this is a mathematics, not a promise. Real results depends on timing, fees, and your discipline. Always trade with caution and never trade money you cannot afford to lose. Now, here are some final rules to stay safe. Number 1, always double check contracts before investing. Number 2, avoid coins with no community or Telegram page. Number 3, never trade out of greed or panic. Number 4, track every trade you make in a notebook. It helps you learn faster. Then number 5, remember little gains are better than big regrets. Now, here is something some traders won't agree with. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. If a chart looks confusing, I repeat, if a chart looks confusing or liquidity is low, then skip it. Let me ask you a question. With this condition, would you rather wait patiently or take risky chances? Comment below. I really want to hear your take on this. So if you have really benefited from this tutorial, I want you guys to give me a like on this video. Go now. Share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You want to enroll for my course where you have one-on-one with me? I can go live with you just to support you. You don't have knowledge about crypto trading. You have paid for some trading courses until now. You don't even know where to start from. I can go online because of you, me and you only, just to ensure that you really know this thing and you are enjoying my tutorial every time I release it here in my YouTube channel. To enroll for my course, check the pinned comments. You see link to go enroll for my course and to connect with me on WhatsApp. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.